Welcome back to another Take Easy tips and tricks. In this video, you'll learn how to do multiple measurements at the same time. Today, we're going to measure all these finishes in these bathrooms. To ease the measurement, it's recommended to create a group for all the bathroom finishes. In the bathroom, we have floor tiles, wall painting, wall tiles, horizontal and vertical waterproofing, with all attributes set accordingly. Now, select all the finishes in the bathroom. Hold the Shift key to select multiple elements. After that, trace the room area on the drawing. And this is how you do multiple measurements at the same time. Try it now. I'll see you next time.